Hi, I'm Hal, the expert. I got a couple amusing comments on a Magic to Get Together card I made for my friend Munt. James Bergman says, LOL, that guy looks so stupid. Yeah, I agree with you. Munt is a Oh, that's weird. It's Munt calling right now. Hello, this is not Hal Thompson.
Hal, you old rascal. I'm outside, man. Come on out. I'll take you for a ride in my new car.
I wouldn't want to go for a ride with you. You're too wild and unpredictable, and you behave in unacceptable ways toward...
Shut the up and get out here. I'm gonna come in there and cut your balls off and put them up in your ass and then pee on your neck.
I don't want my balls put up my ass. I guess I better go. I'm just gonna sit in the back seat.
All right, Hal, come on.
I didn't want to go for a drive.
I gotta show you what this baby can do.
I want to get out of this, baby.
Gotta go down to the pool hall, Hal.
It looks like there might be an open container in your car.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of open containers in here, Hal. I drink when I drive. It helps me relax.
I need to go home.
Nah, don't worry about it.
I left my house on fire.
I gotta... Whoa, a little too much power there. Do a little fishtail, Hal. Whoever owns this car didn't take very good care of it.
Is that a joke?
I stole it on my way over here.
That seems like a mistake.
Hey, check this out, Hal. I like to come over here when I'm in this part of town. Check this out. Hey, lady.
You shouldn't push her.
Oh, your groceries fell off the ledge. You better go get them. Go get your groceries.
You pushed her off.
Don't tell nobody I did that, Hal.
Help.
Nah, I don't need any help. I'll get her turned around. There we go. Whoa! See that guy jump off his motorcycle?
You hit him.
Start seeing motorcycles, right, Hal?
Start seeing motorcycles.
I like this part of town because there's all sorts of intersections and stuff where I can have adventures.
Your use of the word adventures made me sad.
Nah, it's fine.
This is the wrong way down the street.
This is the right way for winners.
I'm a loser, so go back.
Holy cats! Hal, you didn't spill my beer, did you? Get out of my way. What's the matter, Hal?
I'm late for an appointment with safety.
Drink one of my beers, Hal. I had 7 of them already.
It seems like you're going too fast.
Slowing down's for pussies and old people.
Stop.
Whoa.
Ow.
Get out of the way, idiot.
I think I dislocated my body. You shouldn't hit cars like this.
How should I hit them, like this? Whoopsie daisy.
We're not really going to the pool hall, are we?
Hal, what smells like poop? Whoa!
When you crash like that, it hurts my feelings.
Nah.
What are you doing? No.
Check this out. Whoa! Oh, my spine.
My arm is ripped.
Drink a beer, Hal. Hey, Hal, you know of any good pimps around here?
I'm a pimp.
I gotta find me a lady for tonight. I'm going down to the dance. The high school dance.
Dance?
Pants off, dance off.
I think that's illegal.
Yeah.
Can you do anything legal?
Knock, knock.
Let me out.
Let me out who?
Let me out of the car.
Either I'm drunk or that's a horrible joke.
Both. What are you doing? You have to go. Turn loud.
Over here, Hal. You can get out now. No, like really get out.
That was kind of fun. Where did you get this minivan?
I stole it on my way over here, Hal. Go ahead, have a beer.
I'm okay. I don't know why I keep going on drives with you.
Hey, Hal, you want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Here we go, the beach. Oh.
Help. Help.
All right, Hal, you can get out now.